All right, and welcome to your DIY workbook bundle, ebook bundle. So, what we're going to be doing is I want to walk you through some basics around Canva, as well as show you some ways to really be able to optimize all of the templates that you have. So, first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click on both links, the worksheets as well as the ebooks. If you want to use both, or if you're just looking to use one, open up one. And then the very first thing that I want you to make sure that you do as soon as you get your designs is I want you to keep a master copy. And so what that means is keep your link the way that it is so that you can always go back and edit it. Otherwise, you'll lose some of the pages and it'll be a lot harder to be able to design unlimited designs that way. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go right up here to File, and I want you to just make a copy. And once you make a copy, it's going to open up a brand new copy inside of another screen. And as soon as that one opens up, you're going to name it whatever the ebook design that you're working on that you want it to be called. This part is very important because it keeps that other original copy right there the way that it is so that you can always go back and edit it however you want to. So we're going to just call this copy whatever it is that you want yours to be called, but just gonna go over some basic things. So first, this area has templates. These are all templates that Canva has that are available to you for you to be able to add in. It might be a design that you like in particular, and you want to include it with your designs in your templates that you have here. There are some great designs that you can use to be able to really mix and match. Then you have your photos area. This is a great place to be able to grab some pictures. Some cost, some are free. If you're looking for some free stock photos, definitely check out unsplash.com. That's unsplash.com. These are elements. This is where you can find shapes, you can find frames, all different things, icons, different things are found right here in Elements. And then you have text, videos, background, uploads, and folders. Really going to focus a lot on the uploads and the folders section. Uploads are, of course, any of your individual pictures that you upload inside of here, as well as the folders tab. When you save your worksheet pages or anything else, I want you to save them inside of here and then be able to use them as a way to be able to continue with your designs as you go along. So I'm going to just put out the worksheets one so that I can give you some examples of how to customize this and make it your own. So as you'll notice when you're first looking at this, we've given you 3 different designs. The very first three pages are 3 different design concepts for your cover. So I want you to first look through all 3 and then decide on which one you would like to use for your cover. I'm going to use the middle one. And so because of that, I'm going to delete the other ones from around it because I'm not going to need them for this particular ebook. So now you see why it was very important that you have that master copy, because you want to always be able to keep those pages for another time. And so you can now customize your title. You can customize your picture. Anytime you see this laptop picture in the background, you can change that with another picture. To change a picture, all you're going to do is go into Uploads, and you're going to click on a picture and literally just drag it. And once you drag it, it's going to just automatically take the place of that other picture there. And then you can move the blocks around. You can do whatever you want to make this cover your own, but you've got a great base for a cover. You're going to do the same thing with your table of contents. You're going to go through, you have 3 different options. Choose the one that works best for you. Again, wherever you see that picture, you can just drag and drop and be able to replace it. Another cool thing that Canva does is let's say you want this to match your branding, right? Your branding colors might not be that yellow. So you're gonna click on the color, decide on the brand color that you would like to use, and then you can click on change all, and it'll change everything right there for you. So now on all of your templates, you've got your branding right there. Now inside of each of these different pages, you can customize it and move things, change how it looks, fix it however to your liking to make the page look the way that you would like it to look. But the other thing that you can do is you can duplicate a page or even move it up or down, depending on where you would like it to be. This is particularly cool depending on what it is that you're trying to create. I recommend that you only use 3 or 4 variations of a page per ebook. So now you have just tons and tons of pages that you can use for the next thing that you create. As you see, as you go down, all of these are different. There's even some call to action pages. At the end of every workbook, ebook, planner, whatever you create, you want to have some type of call to action page. And that's just simply a page telling people what to do next, how to stay in touch with you, what would you like them to do next. And again, just like you did with the cover and a table of contents, you're going to pick one and delete the others. You only need one per digital guide. So now let's talk about if you're trying to do a workbook, right? So a lot of you are using this particular thing for your workbook. So you're going to go through and you're going to find all of those designs that you have for your worksheets, and you can literally just drag and drop them or just double click on it, I mean. And when you double click, you can replace your design, and then boom, you've got your worksheet templates. So you can pick the ones that look the way that you would like them to do. As you see, we have a ton and ton of them here for you to be able to use. And then you can customize them by changing the colors, the fonts, everything that you need to make this your own branding and your website thing should go on the bottom. And then you can be able to make this look the way that you want it to. Then you can even move the pages to wherever they best fit inside of there. Of course, if you feel stuck or you need any help as you're going through all of these designs and developing this out, do not hesitate to email and ask us. And also, if it becomes too time consuming, feel free to contact our team so that we can develop it for you. Again, thank you for your purchase, and we cannot wait to see your final product. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram so that we can see what magic you have created.